guys haven't noticed already, we are at Great Wolf Lodge, and I'm going to take you guys around to see what we can do. So that's what it looks like. Let's go inside and check it out. Come on. How are you? Alright guys, we are in the Emporium, which is, they have candy and all kinds of stuff. But we are here to get our free ears. Look at the candy. Go! Backwards?
Yes. Oh, yes I did. Yes I did. Oh my god. Look! Look, you put it on it.
Oh, help me!
You put it on it.
Alright guys, we're gonna go get, what is it called, Kaden?
A wand.
A wand. So, looks like we have to go this way.
Very warm.
Alright. This is where we get our wands. They have so many different ones. They have so many different ones.
Oh man, it's not there.
We have these. And these. And these. What wand will you get? You have choices. Which wand are you gonna get?
So this is it, but I gotta make the thing up here. The thing up
I
here.
think you have to build it. Look, there's little pieces that you can build the wand.
Wait, try that.
Do you want that one?
Yeah. It looks cool. It matches. Oh man.
So which one have you decided? There's so many different ones.
I decided this one. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Let's screw it on.
Yep. Screw it on.
Ah.
Lights up.
Yep.
Can you see it? Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
200 gold! Whoa!
So now that they have wands, you can go around and cast your spell, I guess. Right, Kaden?
Yeah.
He's not paying attention. But he's currently using his wand on one of these machines. Alright, cast your wand.
Oh, where did you come from? Is that a wand you're holding? That must be how you found your way here.
Pretty cool.
Death warning.
That's so cool.
That's
You can zip line and climb in this area. Over here they have virtual, I guess the virtual games were, this is awesome. We have eating and breakfast on this side, which we will do tomorrow morning.
Me too. I'm Springbuck. Okay, yeah, I'm a doe, but this doe has antlers. I made it myself. That's what Deirdre...
All right, we just got the message that our room is ready, so we're gonna go check it out. But first, Caden has somewhere he can do magic.
Well, isn't this a chilling bedtime story?
Also over here.
I'd say this is a lady's turn, but they're frozen together.
500 gold? I can't even count that high.
So as you can see, you can go around the whole entire hotel and they can use their wands to get like gold tickets and things like that. So I don't know, let's go check out what the room looks like. So we're on the 7th floor, which is gonna be nice. So let's go to the 7th. Okay, this is our room, 7231. And I guess you can open with your wristband. See if this works. Yep. And this is what it looks like. Pretty nice and spacious. We have 2 beds, TV, looks like refrigerator. Caden's already relaxing. We got a nice window view of a lake, it looks like. But yeah, looks nice. Ready to have some fun and relax for a little bit before we go to the water park area, which I'll show you all about that when we get there. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. So this was just like a little area, I guess. Oh, look at my outfit, guys. Anyway, outfit of the day, huh? This is the bathroom. Looks like, okay, so it looks like the bathroom is separate from that. That's weird. So if you guys can see, like this is only a toilet and a shower, and then over here you wash your hands. That's different. Little seating area. Section. Looks like they have canopies or bungalows, whatever they are, but you probably have to pay extra for that, I'm sure. Nice little bar area over there. Hi guys, we're at the pool and I have a friend that wants to say hi. Hi. We're having fun at Great Wolf Lodge. How do you like it here?
I think it's pretty good. I wish I had like roller coasters though.
Oh yeah, no roller coasters. I've heard that some of the water slides are pretty fast though. Are they good? I haven't been on any of them yet. I'm kind of chicken, so we'll see if I even do it at all. But thanks for saying hi!
Would you let me go? No, you never come back.
breakfast. So I'm going to show you exactly.
Sorry for uploading so late.
Yeah, we slept in and it felt good. But now it's breakfast time, so I'm going to show you what they have. They have all this yummy stuff. Wow. Everything looks amazing. And we have lots of choices. We have to check it out and see what they have before we decide. Oh yeah, there's pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausage, potatoes, oh my gosh, turkey sausage, biscuits and gravy, oatmeal. Everything looks really good. Okay, so I guess we need to start back over here, grab a plate, and dig in. Oh my gosh, so excited. All right, we're sitting, enjoying our breakfast, and it looks delicious. I can't wait. You like it? We got pancakes, eggs, bacon, got a little bit of everything, but we can always go back up and get more. All right, looks good. So pretty in here. So I'm gonna enjoy breakfast and we will clock back in. This ends the vlog right here. I know this vlog was a little choppy here and there. Wasn't all put together probably, but I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw, and you can come here. It's in Naples, Florida. If you want to know where it is, there's different locations all over, but this one is located in Naples, Florida. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.